And there come our rates this morning, starting off pretty quiet in trade. 24,935. So, I mean, with yesterday's move, the fact that we made it back to that 25K mark on the Nifty futures, the range may have expanded a little bit, but it's still pretty ranged for our markets. About 1,000-odd point band is what we've really been flickering in and out of, or actually even narrower than that. I stand corrected there. About 400 to 500 points has been the kind of swing. I can see a dot of green for the Nifty Realty Pack. I guess it would be led by names like Bajaj Properties once again, given that there is positive news flow there. 0.5% higher for Realty. To be fair, yesterday as well, Realty was a mover. We want to check in on some of the newsmakers, the likes of an NTPC or for that matter Z, wherein the board has agreed to a sizable fund infusion to the tune of about 2,200 odd crore rupees by promoters via convertible warrants. So that's one stock which has started off well in the green, about almost 3%. Tata Motors, and now it's struggling at that 680, 678 thereabouts mark, 1.25% lower for Tata Motors. So it doesn't seem like all the selling is done with just yet. And then Biocon, wherein the QIP has opened. Look out for what that stock as well does. HCL Technologies, by the way, they've bagged a multi-year deal for private cloud and network management from a German company. So look out for what that stock as well does. And then, of course, there's DLF as well. There's an ICRA upgrade coming in for DLF. Hyundai, which is looking at commencing its production at its engine unit in Talegaon in Maharashtra. So look out for what that stock as well does. And then other than that, it's the usual suspects, BEL, HDFC Life, SBI Life. And then, of course, some of those oil and gas plays have been holding out very well, along with some of the chemical plays, which have been looking very good because of the fallout of the West Asia crisis, the spike up in crude, and what it really means for gas prices as well, which too have spurred up. So everything from a Deepak Nitrite to a PI Industries, RCF, SRF, the entire pack has been quite robust of late. KPIT Technologies as well was a big winner yesterday, and to be fair, IT has been rebounding slowly. I mean, if you just bring up the Nifty IT index on a 3-month basis, you will see signs of a rebound. How sustainable that is, of course, is a big question mark. But yeah, it's been holding out well and been making those sporadic dashes. So that's pretty much the picture. Pretty quiet as it goes for the small caps and the mid caps as well. You're not really seeing any material move, so to speak.